Today is National Carrot Cake Day, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make it. For this recipe you're going to need 3 cups of carrots, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half a cup of sugar, 3/4 cups of vegetable oil, a half a cup of unsweetened applesauce, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon, 1½ cups of light brown sugar, and 4 eggs at room temperature. First thing you're going to do is spray 2 9-inch cake pans with non-stick cooking spray. Next you're going to grate the carrots. In a large bowl, whisk the flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, ginger, and salt together. In a separate bowl, whisk the eggs, oil, both sugars, applesauce, and vanilla together. Now add the carrots and stir until mixed thoroughly. Now add both of the mixtures together and stir with a spoon until they're combined, but do not overmix. Now pour the batter into the cake pans, dividing it evenly between the two. Place the cakes in the oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes, or until you can stick a fork or toothpick in the center and it comes out clean. Remove the pans from the oven and place on a wire rack to cool for 20 minutes. Now remove the cake from the pans and place on a wire rack to cool completely. For the icing, you're going to need 2 cups of powdered sugar, a half to 1½ cups of chopped pecans depending on how you decorate, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half a cup of unsalted butter that's been softened, and 8 ounces of cream cheese also softened. Using your electric mixer, mix the cream cheese until it's fluffy. Now add the butter to the cream cheese and mix for a minute. Add the vanilla and the powdered sugar and mix until everything's combined. Now you're going to top the cake with the icing. Last thing left to do is to top it off with the pecans. This cake is really delicious and moist. If you do try to make this, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any great recipes.